One of our first components whenever we're making any decision on the farm is how it's going to impact our soil. And so we're always looking to keep ground cover in place. We're looking to improve the diversity of our forages in our, which are then influencing biological communities in our soils. And we're really just generally trying to take what we have and enhance it. So we're trying to take this incredible substrate of soil that we have, improve its water retention qualities, improve its nutrient cycling qualities, improve the habitat for the different species that interact with the soil and interact with the components of the soil.
You wouldn't know it by looking at this land right now, but this land has received sort of historic amount of precipitation in a very short amount of time. So we've received inches and inches and inches of rain throughout the summer, but what's really critical about it is over a very short time period, and we had very little drying weather in between. So it would rain a ton, maybe not rain for a day, but maybe not be drying weather, and then it would rain a ton, and it would just keep doing that and just keep doing that and keep doing that. So we had a lot of moisture come in. So, and then on Saturday, today is Thursday, I believe. So on Saturday, we had another 4 inches of rain drop in one day on this site. You would never know it because the reason is on this particular piece of land, water infiltrates so well and so readily and gets taken up in the soil body itself and in the plants and everything and gets moved around in the system and adds to, aquifer recharge and all the good things. Because that happens, you're not getting saturated soil. So I can come out here and graze right after. I can do all of the management that we need to do right after. We're also getting really healthy soil, really high quality water, all the good things that we want to see.
This soil, even though we're in an area that floods readily because we're near the river, you can get a huge amount of rainfall and it quickly gets absorbed into the soils here, and you don't have massive areas of mud. Not that we don't have mud, but basically if you wait 24 hours on our land, you can drive over it again. And so I think the biggest effect of that is that we can start to heal our watersheds. It starts with biological activity in the soil and really diverse ecosystems that grow out of that soil. And that starts to heal the entire system. It starts to bring carbon out of the atmosphere. It starts to hold water rather than letting it run off. It starts to rebuild what I think nature kind of untouched would build on its own over a long period of time. And through regenerative ag, we're hoping to shorten the timeline in that respect. So really intentionally rebuilding those systems to a much healthier state.